Hey, this is Power TV AU. I bought a new gadget, right? L1 probably wanted to look. It's from eBay. It's a metal pointer. As everyone knows, no one's seen this one because no one is going to show you how it was working. You turn it on like normal. It's on before. Turn it on, and it's got battery power and vibrating. You can have it just normal sound or vibrate. I don't think you can hear it, but it's vibrating and tells you how far you're from it. Like that. And you can turn it back on. Right, hold it, turn it off. Turn it on by pressing it. Sounds from here. It's not waterproof. I don't think it is waterproof. I want to test it. It's from eBay. Of course it is. Alright, now I got my metal detector inside me, but I am doing a demo test. It's actually showing you how accurate this is. It's not that bad. If I go to the point where I buried it, I buried two. It's 20-cent coins and a metal aluminium coin. Now, if I run around over this, how accurate. There's 20-cent coin. I'm actually on it. There you go. There's that inch thick down. That thick. Now I'll put the other one a bit down, a little bit lower. There it is. It's right here. There it is. It works. For eBay for $23, it's not that freaking bad. But it's not as one of those expensive ones you can go for something like this. Who wants to have that when you got a metal pointer, metal detector? So this is just telling you how far it is. The gauges tell you exactly how far from it. So it does work. For $25, it's not that going to be bad. But I tell you, it's not waterproof because, like everyone says, eBay don't trust the water. Say it's waterproof, but it's not. And you hold the button to turn it off. Takes 9-volt battery. Unscrews a lot. See, 9-volt battery, and it does not have the ring. No, haven't taken it out yet, but I was been digging here and I found this junk, that piece of metal I just showed you. That all I found is that piece of metal. Alright, for not bad for $100, $25. Free shipping as well. And it comes with a pouch, but I find that way's better. But I always advise you to put in like an angle because it does turn on if you have it on. Connect. I find it's not that bad. For $25, what are you going to expect? Alright, talk soon.